Welcome back to another stadium construction update. Work across the site continues to move forward, with multiple areas showing visible structural and finishing progress. With the Champions League match scheduled for Wednesday, construction will pause that day, but today the site is active, so let's take a look at where the most significant progress is happening. The south goal area is currently one of the most active zones on site. Platform lifts are being used to paint beams white, with many already completed. White markings clearly show where vertical slat supports will be installed, with noticeably tighter spacing than in other sections. A concrete pump is positioned near the corner, pouring concrete into the upper levels, while interior work continues on brackets and vertical support installations. The third compression ring structure has now been positioned, with workers actively preparing the pillar for lifting. Scaffolding is installed on both sides, indicating the structure is nearly ready. There is a possibility this pillar could be lifted today, although it may be scheduled after Wednesday's match. The structure is fully aligned and prepared for the installation of the massive third component later this week. The slat storage area shows many slats already unpacked and ready for installation. Several cranes used for slat work are visible in storage zones, along with construction materials secured across the site. At Goal Nord, multiple llama supports have been installed at upper and lower levels, though a few diagonal connectors are still pending. Interior areas remain active, with workers on scaffolding and elevated platforms, while upper levels also show steady activity. Tubing around the corner continues to be extended section by section. Glass panel installation is still on hold, but the zone is well prepared for the next phase of facade and structural work, showing consistent progress across all sections. At the parking entrance, the area where the wall was previously cut now has exterior formwork installed. Steel reinforcement is clearly visible and ready for concrete pouring. This is a relatively small section and should be completed quickly once the final concrete pour takes place, finalizing this part of the parking access zone. Around the corner sections, platform lifts are operating near the bracket areas, although slat installation has not yet resumed. The crane typically used for slat movement is not present. Due to UEFA restrictions and Wednesday's Champions League match, slat installation is expected to resume on Thursday. The Tribune area remains relatively quiet following the recent match. Only limited worker movement and machinery activity can be seen, with just one crane operating in this zone. The central wall section is still awaiting its black paint finish, expected later this week. Most of the wooden boards from the shop terrace have now been removed. Glass installation in the Diamond Café area remains unchanged from last week, reaching up to the first door. Several glass panels are stacked nearby and ready for installation, with only a few panels still needing placement near the corner column. Ventilation equipment and insulation materials remain stored throughout the area. That concludes today's stadium construction update. Major work is still ahead, including large-scale slat installation, completion of the compression ring, and the long-term roof construction planned for 2026 and 2027. If you're enjoying these detailed stadium progress updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.